Hello, this is Chris Rowlands showing you Cloud Files, which is a Windows Mobile Dropbox client, which is quite a major thing. This is something people have wanted for a while. It's not an official client, but someone has made it and it's rather impressive. This is going over Wi-Fi. It's still in alpha, but it's still got plenty of features. And it should load up now. Yep, there you go. It looks quite nice to begin with. Asks you for your login details and whether you want it to remember it and also log you in automatically. It's got a rather nice look to it. It's also got a little close button up in the corner. I'm now going to put in my details so you don't see my password and start again in a moment. Okay, when it logs you in, this is what you see. This is your root folder, which contains all the other folders that you have. I have Chris Reviews, which is where my reviews go off to my editor. I share that with him. Photos, Public, and Test, which I've created for this video. Down here we have a bunch of buttons. There's Home, which takes you back to this root folder. There's Folder Options, which brings up this menu, which gives you a bunch of options. Refresh thumbnails, create a new directory. You can create and delete, move, and copy folders around. Also, it has the ability to create and edit text files within the application itself, which I shall show you in a moment. So I'll go into this test folder that I've created. Whenever it goes into move between folders, it says getting the content. And here is the contents of this folder. It does have some interesting scrolling, but it does work. And so it's got nice little icons for various things, and for images it does give a screenshot of it. You can, in fact, delete files as well as move them, copy them, and everything. So when you click on something, it brings up this menu. You can download it to the device, open and view it. Sharing. This is one interesting thing. You can share files directly from here. You can share in an email with a 30-day link. You can move it to the public folder or copy to the move or copy it to the public folder, and you can also share it in the same ways but copy to the clipboard. And at the bottom here you can attach it to an email, so it'll then download the file, which doesn't take too long because I'm doing this over Wi-Fi, and then it'll open up your messaging client on your phone, and then you can choose which email address you want to use, but I don't have email set up. As I said before, there's text file support, so you can. This is a text file, and I'm going to edit it in the simple text editor. Now, there you go. It says, "Hello, I'm a text file," etc., etc. And so, yes, I can just edit this saying, "Lol, I'm doing." Oh no. Doing bad. Yes, I'm doing bad. Yes, I can't type at the moment, so I'm just going to save that, and then it uploads it again. So, as soon as you've edited it, back straight on your Dropbox, and brilliant. Now, you can in fact upload files. Upload a file to Dropbox, and it brings this up. So I'm going to go to my storage card. Let's go to there, and cars. Now I want to upload these images because there was a car fair in town the other day. And I took some photos, so I want to show them to my dad. So I'm going to upload an entire folder. So I'm going to go back to there. It says upload. You have the options: uploading subfolders, ask before overwriting, and upload directly to this folder. So I'm going to select cars and click OK, and now it should be uploading those images. Yep, there it goes. I'll probably stop the video now because this might take a moment or two, and start again in a second. Okay, well, I stopped it halfway through because I didn't want to have to wait. So there they are. It has the just to prove that it has uploaded these images, I'm going to show you one of them. So it downloads the file and then opens it with whatever your device uses. So there you go. Another button down here is the favourites. Now, I haven't actually favorited anything yet, but it does have the photos and public folders favorited already. But I can go through and add things to my favourites just for easy navigation. So if there's specific ones I want to go to, click on favourites, they show up there. Next, we have the camera button, where you can in fact take a photo, and then it'll be uploaded straight to your Dropbox. So here is a piece of my work. The stand is orange, that's why it's gone. Yeah. So I'll just take a photo of that there. That's lovely. And then go back. And there you go, it's uploading it straight away. Successfully uploaded. Close. There, fantastic. So now if I go back and then go into my photos folder, I'm hoping that will be there. Nope. Oh, wait a sec. I don't know. What's Amsterdam? Ah, well, it's called it Amsterdam 1. No idea why, but it's there. That's the main point. So other things. There's the settings button. So you can go back. You can view information about the program, your account information, camera settings, various other settings around this, including thumbnails. You can also log out, hide this program, so minimize it, and also exit. Whoops, cancel. When you go onto account information, it's rather interesting because it shows you a little bit of information about your account. Shows me my user ID, my username, and then also the amount of space that I've taken up. So, which is quite good. You click on it, and it'll go away again. Right. Well. There's also that button, which is just simply back. Whatever you've done, it'll take you back. So yes, that, yeah, it's quite nice. It's quite smooth. It does take a while to download things. Well, okay, it is quite nippy over Wi-Fi, but when you're out and about, it might not be so good to use. It works on Windows Mobile 6 and up. Might work on Windows Mobile 5. That's what it says on the website, so I don't know for sure. And yes, it is pretty good so far, and considering this is not the final release yet, there are still new features to be included and stuff like that. So another nice feature is that it does have landscape support, and it kind of rotates it in such a way that the toolbar kind of thing just goes up the right hand side, which is, I think, a very nice little touch. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.